So hello everyone. Today I'm gonna talk about my assignments. One for the mobile application development. So first of all, everyone, my name is Cam Nesso, and this is my demonstration of my multi-stage phone view controller application I created for my assignment 1. So as you can see, this is a multi-stage phone built with a UI kit. So this phone is built into 4 pages and each with 5 input fees on controls, and the user can navigate using the next and previous button at the button. You can see here, as you can see here, this is the next button. So at UI page control in the middle indicate the user current position. So let's see here. So as you can see here, I can type my name for some kind of information. So let's type my name is Cam. Sorry. So this is my name, and right now I am this is some kind of information you can put it in it. So as you can see here, you can input your email. Let's say this is not my email actually. This is something kind of put in my mind. So this is the ASMR email for you guys. So and what is your phone number? Let's say if you want to get the phone number from other people, so they have to add the data in here, right? So this is kind of like this. So what is the cities? And you can see here, this is the random cities. No, this is not a random city. This is my hometown. So I came from Myanmar, so this is my hometown. So as you can see here, those are the text picks. And in here, what is your gender? These are the like male. So what is your employment? For time, college? Do you own a car? For me, no. What about you guys? I like working in remote, like I like working through online. So this is for me. On the first page, you can see here I am entering text field for fascinating information like full name, email, etc. So as I enter the data, it is stored in the memory. So if I click next, you see I reach to the second pages where I have segment control. For example, you can see here gender, employment, my education, do I own a car, or yes or no, kind of like that. And here what more. So in the third pages, so let's see, I have to show you something from my code. You see here, so this is the UI segment control for this pages. So as you see here, so I make the segment labels. These are the segment label. You see gender, employment, education, own a car, work move. You can see here, and this is the segment option for those things. So this is so I'm using the for loop for the code to run, kind of like that. So here, so if I here, you can see at the bottom, you can see to the two button, the previous one and the next. So if I put the button, the next, so if it reaches to another page. So in here, you see here, you see this is the UI switch. So you can see here, if you are subscribed to something, yeah, you're good, right? So if you accept the terms, this is the button, you have to press it. So if you want some notification or something, this is the button you have to press. How many year experience do you have? So this is the button you need to edit. Like, so for me, I would prefer 1 year experience. I only have 1 year experience in programming thing. So this is the dependence, what kind of dependence you're using, some kind of stuff. And this is the two button. You are going to the previous one, the next one and the next one. How many cars? This is the same question. I'm gonna. This is the hypothetical question. So in the future I want to own like 3 cars. So kind of like that. So this is uh this my satisfaction for this application. So I'm just kidding. I think this is a little bit, it's a little bit number and productivity, that is stress level. So this gives me too much stress, so the stress level gonna be full, right? So I don't have any. Do you think I have this much energy left for this assignment? No way. I only have this energy, this amount of energy left for the assignment. That's all I have. So as you can see here, this is the final pages for me. And you see, when I reach the last page, I have, when I press the next, instead of the next button, you can see here is the next button become confirm. And you see, by clicking it, this one, it transitions into a summary view, like where my answer, where all my answer are like displayed in a read only, like kind of like view. And you will see a submit button there. So let's click this one. Oh, here you see, these are all my number. As you can see here, my phone number, my education email, blah 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 blah. As you can see here, everything is here, right? So mostly this is everything for me now. So let's go to the code. So I will explain a little bit about how I write this code and how the expansion or what kind of stuff. So as you can see here, the entire form is inside a single UI view controller. It's called multi-stage form view controller. You see, this class manage all the form input logics, navigation and storage, everything. And you see, these are like my element state. As you see, the main UI component, like the main UI component you see here is declared on the top. So I declare everything is on the top, and the page control like show the current page progress. So you see this one, this is, and the next button and the previous button control the navigation. As you can see here, I use the type like doc system. So, and this is the font stacks. This one is a vertical UI stack view, like holding all visible question. So, and you can see here, this is a question group, like it's from the UI view or something. And the current page, sorry, this is the current view. This is to track which page we are on, kind of like that. And the response hold the user answer and key. And you can see in here, this is the function for the view load. And you see here is called set UI and the set question and display the fast batch. So in the you can see here, as you can see in here, the setup UI is we use the how to configure the stack view buttons and page control, and we have to add constraint to stack everything properly, attach action handler to the button. And you can see in here the previous button is hidden on the fast pages, and the page control is synced with the current page. So, and you can see in here, this is it. Yeah, this is mostly everything in here. So this is what I'm about that page control, the font stacks, the next button and the previous button. You can see, as you can see in here, this is touches inside, using touches inside, so everything. Mostly this is everything for the fast page. And you see in here, this is the UI stack, the bottom stacks, the UI stack view, like array set view, kind of like that thing. And the set question for initialization, like for this, you can see here these are the set question for the function. As you can see here, these are all questions. Like as we can see in the fast pages, like this is the UI, like UI fee. And if you want to change something, like let's say your information kind of stuff, so you can change mostly like what is showing in here. And I use the for loop for this one. So and this is for the 5 UI segment control, and there is 5 UI switch, 5 strapper, and 5 UI sliders. Mostly everything is here. So the full list of 20 control is broken into like page of 5. Use your stripe blues. They are like shown in the question groups, which we use in the show question for to load a batch into a for stack. So I'm gonna explain you guys about the navigation logic. So as you can see here, this is the next tab method. So I use the if loop, if s. So like let's say if the current page is like is equal to the question group, increment the pace, and we are on the last pages. So this is the next test. So I keep increments the page unless we are in the last one. So which is called like show summary view. So this is the show summary view. If we reach this state, it's gonna like go out of the loop, right? So as this is as function, and the next one is the previous tab method. It's simply like decrement the page and reload the view, cannot step those or everything. So this is my last pages, as you can see in here, like show summary view, like phone steps, kind of like steps. So this remove all the question view and replace them with a list of key value labels displaying all sort of response. It also hide navigation and page indicator and show a submit button. That's my last page. That's my last page and how it's working right now. So you can see in here, these are the handler for every input. You can see here, this is that for the submit phone. This is phone response, everything's, and you see here key value in response. So this is the text feed changes. This is for the text feed. So and this is for the text feed like handler. If it is changes, this is showing how it's gonna be changes for something. And this is the switch changes, and this one is the strapper changes for strapper switch handler, and this is the slider changes. This is for the handler. So in summary, this application demonstrates a clean component-based approach like to my multi-step phone navigation by using my UI kit. So it track what it's do. So it tracks the user input in real-time dynamic object stills and collect response in a readable format for submission. So all the logic is like encapsulated in one view controller for specificity. So this is my assignment 1 for the mobile development application. And thanks everyone for watching this presentation. So it took me like a week for this assignment, so this is all for now. Thank you for everything, thank you for everything, and thank you for watching, and have a great day, and see you guys.